First, click the button at the screen. Click Add Targets. Then we can add the above analysis targets. Point analysis target, line analysis target, rectangle analysis target, circle analysis target. After selecting the analysis targets, we can drag to adjust the position and also adjust its size. When the line analysis target is selected, the line temperature distribution diagram will appear in the lower left corner, and the relevant data of all analysis targets will appear in the upper left corner. We select an analysis target and long press it to call up some menus. Then set whether to display the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and average temperature. If it is a line analysis target, we can measure the length. The area analysis target can measure its area, set its emissivity, or delete the analysis target. Next is the temperature difference mode. Click to enter the mode. Make sure there are at least 2 analysis targets on the screen. Select the analysis targets to make a comparison. The temperature difference value will be displayed in the upper left corner. Click again to exit the temperature difference mode. The last one is to delete all analysis targets.